What's up?
Used to it again.
You have to be used to it again. I mean, it's been a long time.
Yeah, you have to get used to it.
You haven't seen us. Rob's a little nervous. He's a little rusty on his vlogging, you know? He's like, do you wanna? Are you sure? Are you sure? But I'm like ready to get back into it. And we've been like, let's vlog. And then we just don't. But we wanna get back into it because I miss watching us. Anyways.
Me too.
So it's Friday night. This is gonna be like a weekend vlog, I guess. Like our weekend. We're actually like doing some stuff this weekend too. I mean, every weekend I feel like we always just like go to our pool and it's like very chill. But this weekend we actually have some plans, so it's like worth starting the vlog back up. I just told Rob that I booked us Young Bridges tickets. And he didn't even know. And he's like, you're like not like that much of a fan yet, but he's gonna be.
I'll get there though.
Yeah, he'll get there. It's just like a different, like it's not like we're going to like a Migos concert. We're gonna be like, yeah, and the kitchen doesn't like us. It's just like a different kind of concert. It's a romantic concert. It's baby making music. Anyways, as you can tell, I've already had a cocktail. But I wanted to start this vlog of us making these cocktails. So we're actually making John Collins, which we've never made. We're never really like whiskey.
No, aren't they Tom Collins?
No, they're John Collins.
You told me they're.
The recipe says John Collins, but apparently there is Tom Collins too. I don't know. You guys know we're tequila people, so we don't know what the fuck we're talking about. But they are John Collins. But there's also Tom Collins, like a spicy margarita, and then there's like a Paloma. I don't know, whatever. So I'm gonna show you guys how we made it. They're actually so good. I get like kind of discouraged by bourbon or whiskey because it's just such like a distinct taste. And like we've gone to a whiskey tasting before and I like regretted ordering that flight. Second sip, I was like, oh my God, I have to drink all this? You're just watching, huh? You're just like, let me watch this fucking bitch just try to make this. Okay, let's start with the glass. Then we're gonna do, I actually have the recipe memorized. What?
Like this would be a cool spot where if you don't actually talk during it and you just show.
Don't, you guys don't want to hear me talk? They want it, I have to tell them.
Yeah.
Whatever, who knows which way we'll go with, but I'm gonna talk for now. We're gonna do 2 ounces of bourbon. The recipe called for 1.5 ounces, but it tastes better with 2. Then you're gonna do 1 ounce lemon juice. Ooh, we're getting, this is like 1 ounce of lemon seeds. 1 ounce of simple syrup. I made my own because we couldn't find any and it's so easy to make anyways. Stir it up. 2 ounces of club soda. Then you're gonna add some ice. Got my ice boy over there. My ice boy. Getting me some ice. And then I found these candied oranges at Trader Joe's. I mean, you're supposed to put a maraschino cherry, but A, we couldn't find them, and B, I actually hate maraschino cherries. They make me, they're like the #1 food on the planet that I hate. I hate them. And then you drink. Cheers. These are really good. What would you rate it?
I would probably say I'm a marg person, but I'm really into this because I watched that Netflix show.
Oh my God.
It was like the bourbon heist on Netflix. Mm-hmm. And I was just like, I have to drink some bourbon.
You had to.
I know. Probably like maybe like 8.5, 9 out of 10.
Mm-hmm.
Big fan.
Yeah, I would say 8.5 too.
Would recommend. If you're into margs and you want to change it up, it's definitely a go-to.
Yeah, because we're like hardcore marg people, but I don't know. It's like, how many margs can you drink? I mean, you can drink a lot, but it's nice to switch it up. This is so good. I love it. We just want to like expand our palates. Like, I want to go into a whiskey bar and be like, I want a John Collins off the menu. And they're going to be like, whoa, this girl knows what she's talking about. We have some meatballs, turkey meatballs going in there. We're going to do them over a bed of arugula because we're trying to be healthy. I don't know if you guys have seen this thing yet. So cute. It's my new outfit from Amazon.
These are Abercrombie joggers.
Dude, those are Abercrombie John Collins.
John Collins.
Wait, it's blurry.
Adidas shirt.
Adidas shirt.
Weed Maps hat.
Weed Maps hat. Where are your socks from?
Under Armour, I don't know.
I'm just kidding. But the people might want to know. But probably
Under
not.
Armour.
Under Armour. So we got this piece from Home Goods. It was a good find. This is honestly like the cleanest that this has been in a really long time. So got a rug. I got a Turkish rug. I've been looking for one for so long. We went to the Rose Bowl flea market where everyone was like, you're gonna find a rug, you're gonna find a rug. And yeah, we found rugs, but they were like $3,000 and we weren't about to drop that on an old rug. So I found this from Etsy, and Brody has a new bed. He has a new calming donut bed that he loves. He also loves to run on this rug and fuck it up. Weekend vlog. We'll be on it all weekend. We're back in action. So, catch you guys tomorrow. Right next to you. We are leaving the beach. We had so much fun. I feel like we needed to get to the beach and just like away from real life, you know? And then tonight we're going to our friend's house for tacos. Anything you want to say to the people?
What's up, people?
You actually look so cute. You look great. You know, he always looks so great. It's like we have to try, and the guys just always look so great. Go back, shower, go to Trader Joe's, get some stuff, and yeah, we woke up super fucking early today. I actually worked out this morning at like 7:30, which is so unlike me, but I feel great that I did it. I'm like super tired. I don't know how people like work out really early every day and then like live their life. But whatever, that's what we're doing, and we will catch you guys later.